This video is going to focus on how to filter validation tables. So I'm going to go to a form that I know has a validation table attached to it. SOASchool. And when I get to it, I'm going to put in the banner ID, or I'm going to search for it. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put the banner ID in, since there's another video that shows you how to query for a person. So I'm just going to select go. And now I'm inside a section where I need a high school code. So I need a code that comes off of a validation table. So when you're in a section on any form and banner and there's values on the validation table and you need to search for it, you would select the ellipsis next to the field, and then the filter will open for that validation table. Now it automatically defaults to the basic filter and it gives you some fields, or you can go to the advanced filters. So let's just pretend I'm on SOASchool, so I'm going to search for high school, and I'm going to put in Church Point. Now I'm not going to put the wild card. I want to see what's going to happen. So it says query caused no records to be retrieved. So when you're using the basic query, you're going to have to use the wildcard, which is the %, in the basic query. So if I'm looking for Church Point High School and I only want to type in church, and I put the % for the wildcard after, and then I select go. And then it'll show me all schools that begin with the word church. Now I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to say filter again. And this time I'm going to put the wildcard at the beginning. And then I'm going to say I want all high schools that have the word point in it, or ends with point. I'm going to put the wild card after, because I'm thinking point's going to be in the middle of my college, my high school name. And I select go. And now it brings up any high school that has the word point. Even this one has point. So it brings it in any high school that has the word point. So that's the basic filter. So with the basic filter, we still have to use the wildcard just like we do in Banner 8 now. Now I'm going to cancel this one. I'm going to go ahead and select the ellipsis button, but this time instead of using the basic filter, I'm going to go to the advanced filter. Now the advanced filter gives you a little more options. So it allows you to select how you want to query, but it also gives you this option. So you can say it equals, not equal, or is null, is not null. But for the code, you'll see it says starts with, ends with. So your selection here really depends on the value you're looking for. So for institutional type, they're not going to give you a starts with or ends with, where they do that for the code or the name. So let's say I do the name starts with. So this kind of takes the place of the wildcard. So I'm going to say starts with church. And notice I'm not going to have to put the wild card, because I'm just telling it to search for all that starts with church, and then I select go. And it brings me back every high school that starts with the word church. Now also in the advanced, I could decide to say just clear all. So I'd select the clear all button here. And when I do that, it brings it to where I can select the exact values I want to use. So if I just want to use the name and I want to say it contains church, I can do that and then select go, and it's going to query and bring me back my results of any high school name that has the word church in it. So this is just a real brief overview of how to query on a validation table.